at 55 miles an hour. Stopping distance on a brand spanking new tire is about 195 feet. That wore out tire, you're looking right at almost 398 feet. That's a lot of distance between there. So having your tires checked regularly is important. Here's a couple tips to keep your tires in tip-top shape. So at Darrell Waltrip Automotive, we recommend every 5,000 miles to rotate and balance your tires. That's going to make sure that the tire wears properly. You're not going to have that bouncing going down the road. You want your tires to last longer? Alignment is the best way to achieve that goal. You know, alignment is going to help keep the tire where it's going to be wearing evenly, and we recommend that every 15,000 miles or once a year. The alignment is very important, but if you do the alignment and not the rotate and balance, you're still going to have tires that are going to wear out on you. There's another thing that you can do to help with the overall maintenance of the tires. Something that we didn't have years ago, and it's called nitrogen. And it will help stabilize the air pressure in the tire. Another great way to help save and help maintain your tires. You know, you used to pull in and get your tires checked at the gas station, but you come in here to Darrell Waltrip Automotive, let our trained, certified technicians, let these state-of-the-art equipment check your vehicle. We're gonna make sure that you ride out of here on a good, safe set of tires.